Let's review how to use the Education Information Accordion on Toolkit.law. Select the Settings section and then click on the Education Information Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can enter each institution you've attended, the degree you completed, and the exact date of completion. Whether it's your Bachelor of Laws, Master of Laws, JD, Paralegal Diploma, or any continuing legal education, every credential can be added neatly and securely. Click the Save icon to store your entry, or use Clear icon if you want to revise or remove information. Everything updates instantly, no extra steps required. With this accordion, everything from bar admission-related education to court-required certifications can be stored in a single, reliable location. This centralized approach strengthens your digital identity and ensures that your professional background is always ready for client communication, regulatory compliance, and internal firm workflows. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Education Information Accordion.